Okay, howdy and welcome. Aggie Gamer 93 here, and you're watching. This is a special episode of Late to the Game, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to install a game in Linux. Just in case, if anyone out there thinking about switching from Windows to Linux and wondering, well, can you really game in Linux? And I'm going to show you just how easy it is. This example is going to be through Steam, and this is actually this Linux distribution is called BigLinux, and Steam comes pre-installed. Now you can use other you can install other Windows games without Steam. You can use Wine, or if you're into the Epic Games environment, there's an alternative launcher to the Epic launcher that comes pre-installed, at least on this version of Linux. But I chose to go with Steam because I already had a Steam account and had a couple games there already. So it just seemed a natural fit to just transfer on, on my old Windows machine. I had most of my games were actually through Microsoft Game Pass. So you can't run. Yeah, the Xbox app is not something you can run on Linux. So I just switched it to Steam. So here, Outer Worlds is the next game that I'm going to be featuring. It's I have a playthrough in my channel, so we're going to install that so that we can continue that playthrough. And this is installing in Linux. So I do keep it to the default home directory. We don't need to create the application shortcut. Well, we'll create that. We'll won't create the desktop shortcut. That's so then install. And we'll probably I'll fast forward the whole download, right? Because let's see, starting download. Okay, here we go. Now the game content's coming down. And while that's coming down, before I fast forward, I know in prior videos I mentioned issues with certain things crashing. Well, it turns out that had nothing to do with Linux, and had everything to do with some bad RAM. So it's since replaced the RAM, put new RAM in, and it has been working flawlessly since. Got about a minute remaining in the download. Okay, and it says it's ready to play. Well, before we start it, I'm gonna grab the save games. So I have my save games from my last system, and we're gonna see where we need to put that. So Steam, in your home folder, it installs everything on our local, and share, Steam, and then Steam apps. Now the question is, with Outer Worlds, are save games going here? Yeah, it doesn't look like it. I wonder if it's going to go into the under compat data, VFX. Alright, so I believe I found where the save games go. I think they go here. So I've got these autosaves. Here, I'm just going to grab all of these. Oh, I don't know if that's going to do what... Let's see, cancel. Let me open that and do this. We'll copy. And let's hit play and see how this works. Okay, it's launching. Okay, so let's fix this. There we go. Oh no, nothing in load game. So I get to find the right place, but you get the idea. Looks like the game functions. Let's see, I'm going to... Let's go 1440. And I think I want to... There we go. Yeah, I'm not going to start a new game now. Okay, I think I may have done this. I may have chosen the wrong ID number. So here, we're going to go to local, share Steam, Steam apps, pat data. And with my last game, it was in this one. So let's do this one. Users, Steam user, saved games here. So we're gonna go to my archive. Nope. You know, I noticed this is in this local underscore local. Here, we'll copy this. Oh, you know what? Oh, I think I know what I'm doing wrong. I need to go up another level. Yep. This whole folder. Although it may not need the Windows, it might just need just the Outer Worlds name, but we'll see. Nope. We're gonna rename this. And clearly, I mean, the game, at least it loads, it's working, it was easy to install. The only challenge here is when you're transferring a saved game from another machine. So we're going to copy this, and I'm going to put it in each of the other IDs here, because I don't know which one this was installed under. Because Steam appears to be putting each one under its own ID, unless there may be a way to look at the properties. I wonder if this will tell me which one. Compatibility. Nope. Installed files. Well, that's the common. Doesn't say where saved games may be going. Or if there's, oh, app ID right here, 578. Yeah, it's this one. And this is the one where I put wait a minute, why? Okay. 578, 650. Yep. Okay. So this. All right. So this is how you find your app ID. Go into the properties in Steam, find your app ID, and that corresponds to the ID number in the folders. So you know where your saved games need to go. Now we need to see this actually work. And there are the save games. And that is exactly what we needed. So, it is getting late for me here. I think this is a good stopping point now that we've figured it out. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this was helpful to you. And next time we will actually continue our playthrough. Again, see you next time.